Application of 3D printing in digital products. Nowadays, more and more technological products and digital products come into our lives and change our lives quietly. The rapidly developing market requires more and more diversified and humanized design patterns of products. The 3D printing can help product developers to create the desired product effect in a more quick and effective manner. Process analysis. Digital products are demanding for the process, and they are more demanding for the manufacturing technology of product model. As the command center of production, after receiving the 3D drawing of product design from the customers, the preliminary analyst will conduct analysis on the process, act, dismantle, and formulate the production process according to the requirements specified by the customer. Remote control. Protofab industrial intelligent 3D printing equipment can monitor the working status of the device anytime and anywhere. Order receiving and programming, typesetting on the machine in real-time remote monitoring allows you to enjoy the peace of mind and the joy of life in all aspects. Intelligent printing. In the Protofab 3D printing intelligent base, there are hundreds of industrial-grade 3D printing equipment with intelligent brain and analysis capabilities, which make possible the automatic door opening, automatic feeding, remote monitoring, environmental response, WeChat monitoring, power monitoring, light path live monitoring, remote data transmission and analysis, automatic cleaning, and automatic solidification. An unattended intelligent base can serve customers efficiently and accurately. Process inspection. Printed parts will be monitored for precision in the inspection shop. Full data monitoring of the product is carried out using the most advanced 2D detector in the world, from which an inspection report will be generated automatically, providing accurate data assurance for the subsequent processing of the product. Manual polishing. The professional 3M sandpaper is selected to finely polish each part of the earphone to ensure a smooth surface and uniform gap. During the process of polishing, the sandpaper should be used according to its number and in the sequence of number 600, number 800, number 1000, and number 1500. Processing. The polished product will be conveyed to the painting workshop. Different colors of oil paints will be made available for customers according to the International Pantone number, or RAL color number. 3 times of painting and 3 times of polishing will be applied to each part to ensure that the product model has a bright color and excellent quality feeling. Finish the product assembly. After all parts pass the quality inspection, the assembler and software technical personnel will check the 3D drawing together, determine the assembly sequence, start assembly, and conduct debugging of the moving parts to finally meet the real machine requirements. Protofab provides model-making solutions for tens of thousands of high-quality customers in China and abroad. It applies 3D printing perfectly to model making, helping customers to quickly convert design idea to finished products. It achieves a fast verification and rapid modification, clearing away barriers to rapid production, thus making sure the customers can take the primitive opportunities in the fast-changing market.